Joe and Polly with dailyconversion.com, and we want to welcome you to 2024. We are excited to announce that we are launching our next 90-day sprint. You are going to learn how to become your own CEO and master your digital marketing platform. We are going to teach you how to work 2 hours a day from anywhere. You will learn how to set your business up through automations so it's out there working for you 24/7, allowing you more time with your family. You will be equipped with the skills to make six figures. Our goal is to help you build a solid foundation while learning these skills to make daily pay. This is happening now. So get your blueprint. Once you get your blueprint, you're going to get inside and you're going to get the tools you need to take daily action. We will teach you how to have all this while only working 2 hours a day. This program is not just a business, but is going to transform you and give you everything you need in 2024. When you purchase the blueprint, you are going to get 100% reselling rights, allowing you to make that 600 daily pay. While we promote 4 digital products in the e-learning industry, this is the fastest growing industry out there. Imagine if you had a business out there in this industry that could give you the potential to earn 6 figures this year. How would that change your life? What would you need to do to reach that goal? Well, 1, you need to purchase your blueprint. 2, you need to be coachable. And 3, you must go all in. You have 90 days to transform your life. We know you can do it. We know you can build the foundation to change those habits. You guys, we are excited to get in there with you and learn it and grow. Help you have a wonderful 2024.